This is about the peak time generally for the rhododendrons. Thousands of different hybrids and different species and stuff, all different colors, sizes, shapes, and they do great in our climate up here in Fort Bragg. We've got the cool summers and the mild winters.
They're gorgeous. This is unbelievable.
They kind of are left speechless.
Well, they're just so beautiful.
Oh my God. Variety of color. I was an abstract painter, so color. And the fact that they're humongous blooms.
We get a lot of phone calls when are the rhododendrons going to be the best. We need to plan to travel, and we usually say mid-April to mid-May. It does change year to year based on rain and temperature. There's a lot of winter bloomers. You can get them blooming December through June. I take walks in the gardens often to take photos, and it changes every day, and every day I hear some people just wishing they could have this in their yard. It's a mild maritime climate here, very unique. I think it's one of 3 areas. There's one in Perth, Scotland, and then there's also the Himalayas are very great for rhododendron growth. It's the acidity in our soil, as well as the mild winters.
This is a great place for growing rhododendrons. Not too hot, not too cold. We can grow ones here that people simply cannot grow elsewhere.
Oh, it smells wonderful.
We've probably got like 50 different categories these flowers fit into. So the white ones will be going against other white. A lot of it is the freshness of the flower. We don't want to see brown spots on the petals. It's good to have good open blossoms, and generally 1 or 2 blossoms in the middle which are not completely open. That means it's still fresh enough to last through the show.
We have many colors within a species.
There's always a problem in picking them though. You go up to a great big giant plant like this here, just covered in blooms, and you start climbing. You go up there with a ladder and you see little brown spots starting on the leaves, or petals are starting to fall off.
Yeah.
That's our blue.